Hello everybody, what a great day today, as always. We're going to show you the demo of Apache Sling and Java Server Faces integration. Before going into details, let me introduce myself. I am Ravi Singareddy from Atlanta, Georgia. In this demo, we'll be using following softwares: Apache Sling Web Framework. You can visit sling.apache.org and Apache Jackrabbit Oak. That you can visit jackrabbit.apache.org/oak. These are from Apache Open Source Foundation. You can get details from apache.org. And the Primefaces JSF is an open source Java Server Faces UI framework. You can get more details from primefaces.org. Today we are going to discuss about new ways of displaying or presenting data in Apache Sling Web Framework using a Java Server Faces. Traditionally, in Apache Sling Web Framework, content is displayed in Java Server pages or HTML template languages. Apache Sling Web Framework is one of the powerful open source framework in content management system. Because of inherent restrictions in this web framework, it is not adopted widely into Java J2E open source world. As out of the box, Apache Sling product is not a Java J2E compliant and not able to support Java Server Faces. We have invented a method in Apache Sling Web Framework so that it is Java J2E compliant and so that it can be widely used in open source Java community. This method also enables Apache Sling Web Framework to be supporting Java Server Faces UI components rendering. In this demo, we will be demonstrating rendering Apache Oak content using Primefaces JSF components in Sling Web Framework. As you know, Primefaces JSF is leading open source JSF UI framework with over 100 HTML components. Primefaces also provides a premium themes available for commercial usage. We will be providing the three simple use cases, addressing them using Apache Sling and Primefaces JSF framework. The first one is simple content embedded with images. In the Primefaces text editor, you can just drag and drop the image and type the text, and that will be published as a JSF page. And the second one is publishing the JSF data table or data scroller or data grid or data exporter from the CSV file. The CSV file will be uploaded and you can choose corresponding data table you wanted to, and that can be displayed or that can be published using this framework. And the third one is very interesting one. So you can upload a number of images and using this Primefaces image switch, so the images will be displayed. That will be interesting to watch and see that how this framework can address the dynamically arranging these photos, and that will be very interesting to see. In this demonstration, we will be addressing the three different use cases. First one is creating a content using the Primefaces text editor, and in this text editor we can insert the images and also publish in the content, so that will be displayed as JSF page. And a second use case, upload a CSV file to the system that can be converted into the Java Server Faces data table and publish that data. And the third one is actually the interesting one, so we can input a number of images, and you can use the image switch to switching the images with a zoom option, and we can see how that demo will work, and this will be one of the interesting things to watch. And let's jump into the first, the creating the content use case. and but just enter the page name. This is my first dynamic JSF page, and I'll say hello everybody. Then I will insert image, and say this is image is from primefaces.org. Let me highlight that or bold it or underline it, and let's create the page. Okay, you can see this is my first dynamic JSF page, and hello everybody. So this image from Primefaces.org. So this is a simple way of displaying the web page using the content, and everything is stored as an JSF page inside the Apache Work JCR repository. And let's go back to the second test case. In the second use case, so we will be uploading the CSV file, and I just have a simple CSV file with 2 columns, and you can see that just 2 comes city and the people, and I can say that this is my first CSV file to upload, and I'll say yep, it is working. And let me create the page. Yeah, you can see that this is my first CSV file to upload. This is your Primefaces simple data table, and here is the content. So this is a presentation of a second use case. Yeah, let's jump back into the final use case, building the photo builder and uploading the number of images. In this demo, we will be uploading the images, and these images will be shown using the Primefaces image switch with the zoom option. That's the default option. And so now we will upload these images. These images are taken from the Primefaces showcase. Once the images are checked in, and upload these images. Okay, so these images will be a prototype of switch, and switch photo option is zoom, and you can say that Primefaces image switch demo, and just it's working. So let's create the JSF page. Okay, this is a Primefaces image switch demo. You can see all the images. And this is the same zoom effect. If you go into the Primefaces, switch, this will be a zoom option for image switch. It also, it's a similar kind of things. And you want to know whether this is coming from the Apache Oak or JCR repository. You can see JSON string. You can see that this file is created just now, Saturday, January 27th, and you can see this JCR options. This is the JCR tags. Okay, and also you can further see that you can look at this directory. And see the files. So these are all the image files, and you can see this is powered by Apache Jackrabbit Oak, and this is the WebDAV display of the directories. And from this demo we can see that, you know, Apache Sling Web Framework can be used for displaying the JSF pages. And also this JSF pages can be created dynamically, and which can be which is much more effective compared to the traditional way of reading the JSF files from the static way, like from the web file or web WAR file, or from the ER file. Okay, and this concludes our demo. We are nearing the end of this demonstration. So what you learned today: Java server faces can be rendered in Apache Sling Web Framework. In traditional Java J2E and JSF applications, JSF pages are static in nature. What I mean is, JSF pages are embedded inside ER file or WAR file. And in this demonstration, JSF pages can be created dynamically and rendered from Apache Oak Content Repository API for Java. And as you observed, rendering of dynamically created Java server faces are pretty quick because it is rendered from memory instead of the file system or database. This invention will play a key role in software as service, intranet and extranet applications. If you need further details and need to build your next content management system, you can contact me at ravi@singareddy.com, or you can call me at 678-438-4294. Thank you for watching.